another life hack for your thin yarn when you start crocheting a skirt, I'm using this for my new skirt, is to make again the first row easier. When normally we start something, we just make a big chain and then crochet into this chain, right? So I don't want that because it's not that fun when you crochet with thin yarn. So I want 7 crochet stitches and I want a double crochet here, and then I make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and turn and make 2 more chains, and I go into here. The idea is to make my first row from squares. 1 2 3 and 2, and turn and go here to form this square, and then 1 2 3 and 2, and turn and go here and make a square, and then 1 2 3 and 2, and turn and square. And I'm doing it for my next skirt. So instead of making a chain and trying to figure out if it's long enough or not, because you know the just regular chain, it's not that stable. If you stretch a little bit, it stretches. These guys, well, they stretch too, but not as bad as a chain. And when I'm done, I will just go to the mirror and try to find my waist. It was a little bit easier 30 kilograms ago, but now 3 1 2, it's a little bit harder, but yeah, I will try. So find your waist or the place where your waist used to be, and make sure that the amount of squares you've already made is right about your waist size. It's like you're making a belt, okay? And it's not that hard to make. 2 3 1 2, and turn. The technique is the same for Barbie or for human size skirt. You just measure it and make sure. Okay, I need probably 2 more squares. Of course, for me, I will have this chain 30 times longer. And then you make this circle. So you go into here and just fix these 2 parts together. You just want to find the first square and the second, and you just fix these together. And see, the first row of your skirt is done. Well, if it's human size, it's just the same. It's just the same. And see, it's so much easier when you have this set of squares. 2 3, to do double crochet stitches. This is so much easier than to make a chain and go into each chain. You don't even have to go inside this stitch. You can go like this, you know, go around. And since it's a skirt, you need some increases. So 1 2 3 But you know, this video is not about increasing, it's just about the first row, how to make it more fun. And you see, when you have this set of squares, it's easier to measure yourself. You just, you know, use it as a little belt to see how many more squares you need. Again, you don't have to count anything. If your pattern doesn't require it, you just, you know, do the measurements as you go. And the first row is easy and fun. We'll talk about the increases later when I will be showing you a human size pattern, but I hope you've got the idea. So start with these squares and then use it as a first row. And then actually one more secret that I'm using, whenever I'm making a skirt, I leave this first row like this, and then when the skirt is done, I go back and make the belt right here. I really hope that this idea of simplifying the first row helps you whatever you are making. Happy crocheting and have a great day.